In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorites on Just Eat. Adding your favorite restaurants and items can streamline your ordering process. It allows you to quickly access the places you love. This makes your experience more enjoyable and efficient. Let's get started. First, open the Just Eat app on your phone or visit the Just Eat website. If you're using your phone, look for the Just Eat icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the app. If you're on a computer, type in Just Eat's web address in your browser. Once the page loads, you will see the familiar interface filled with delicious options. This is an important first step because you need to be on the platform to access your favorite restaurants and menu items. Next, sign in to your Just Eat account. If you're using the app, you will find the Sign In option at the top of the screen. On the website, look for the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner. Enter your credentials, which usually include your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one. Signing in is essential as it ensures that your favorites are saved securely in your profile for easy access later. Now browse restaurants and open the restaurant or item that you want to save. Scroll through the various options available in your area. You can filter by cuisine type or search for a specific restaurant. Once you find a restaurant that looks appealing, click on it to see its menu. This step is crucial because you're about to identify what you want to add to your favorites. Make sure to explore the menu items as they may have special deals or popular dishes. After you have chosen your restaurant or item, tap or click the heart icon to add it to your favorites. The heart icon is usually located near the restaurant name or next to each menu item. When you tap or click it, you should see a visual change like the heart turning red. This action confirms that it has been successfully added to your favorites. Adding items to your favorites is a small yet powerful step that saves you time later, allowing for quicker reordering. The restaurant or item will be saved to your favorites list so you can find it more quickly in the future. Just Eat uses a favorites feature to help users easily access places they enjoy ordering from. This means that whenever you want to order from your favorite spots, it will be just a click away. A quick glance at your favorites list can remind you of all the delicious options you have enjoyed before. To view your favorites, open your account or profile menu and select Favorites. This is typically found in the same place where you signed in. Click on your profile icon and you should see a drop-down menu. From there, select the Favorites option. This will display all the restaurants and items you have saved. If you do not see the Favorites option, make sure you are signed into your account. Just Eat stores information related to favorites in your account and browser data. It's important to be logged in because it helps ensure that all your preferences are safely stored and easily retrievable. Now that you know how to add favorites on Just Eat, you can enjoy a streamlined ordering experience. Remember, having quick access to your beloved restaurants and items makes ordering a breeze. Enjoy your meals.